Shrimps are pretty rich.
Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys the fastest way to level up in Prodigy.
Oh my god!
Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, I am level 98.
Bruh.
Now today I'm gonna be teaching you guys the fastest tips and tricks so you guys can get to level 100 as fast as possible. Alrighty, guys, how do you level up faster? Well, it is important you guys have some good wands. Now, guys, like I've said probably many times before, the best wands to use are the ones from the Epics set. So, guys, if you want to get them, go up to the Epic subspace, go to this girl right here, and you're gonna want to buy one of these wands. Now, guys, these wands do just as much damage as wands like the Mira's wand.
Are you sure about that?
So it is extremely important that you guys pick up one of these wands. Guys, next tip, and this is actually a brand new tip, so I really recommend that you guys take advantage of this, and that is to battle in the academy. By far, the academy is the fastest way to do battles.
Do you have any idea how fast I am?
And because of that, you are going to be getting a lot more stars when you are doing these battles. Guys, it's a no-brainer. If you want to level up fast, go straight to the academy, battle there, and it will be some easy levels up. Alrighty, guys, next on the list is going into Lamplight Town and battling someone. Now, you may be a bit confused, but I'm going to explain why. Now, guys, if you battle someone in Town Square, no, it does not give you a ton of stars. Now, what it does give you is experience. Now, experience is extremely important in Prodigy, because if you have experience battling against real wizards, when you battle monsters, it's gonna be easy.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
And remember, guys, the faster you beat monsters, the faster you are going to level up. So guys, take a few minutes every day and battle in the arena. I do it a ton on my channel, and it's helped me out a ton in Prodigy. Speaking of only 5 minutes, make sure you guys are spinning the wheel every single day. The wheel can give you coins, items, and a bunch of advantages that will help you in battles, and those items right there alone could be the difference between leveling up and not reaching that level. Alright, next up, what is next? Well, it is to battle the Titan. The Titan, similarly to the Academy, is one of the fastest ways to get stars in Prodigy. Guys, all you have to do is go to the Titan, click on him, and enter a battle. That is it. You can battle him as many times as you want. Trust me, guys, this Titan alone, okay, will help you level up so much faster, it's actually insane. Guys, to add on to that, you need to make sure you guys have membership, okay? Guys, membership levels you up so much faster, so if you really are dedicated, get that small amount of money, do something really easy around the house like chores, build up that money, and buy a membership. Trust me, it is worth it. Now, guys, since a lot of you probably want a membership, if I hit 5,000 likes on this video, I will do a membership giveaway. So that's gonna help you guys out, but I do need 5K likes on this video. So go down and smash that like button. Alrighty, guys, going on from that, we are going to be talking about Crystal Caverns. And why is Crystal Caverns important? Well, Crystal Caverns has by far the most boss battles out of any area in Prodigy. Guys, if you did not know, boss battles give you an insane amount of stars. It's absolutely insane. And again, more stars, more levels, the faster you guys are going to be leveling up. Alrighty, guys, so that is going to about wrap it up for the fastest way to level up in Prodigy in 2020. I gave some awesome tips in this video, and really make sure you follow them. I'm saying these for a reason. They will help you out. Guys, before I end on this video, please make sure to drop a like. Again, let's hit 5,000 likes, and make sure to subscribe. We're so close to 50,000 subscribers. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.